At Darshan Farmers, we don't just teach mushroom farming, we cultivate success. Through our Mushroom Cultivation and Training Center, we provide hands-on training for beginners, self-help groups, and agri-entrepreneurs. From substrate preparation to farm setup, from harvesting tips to yield optimization, our expert-led workshops and certification programs guide you every step of the way. With 2 decades of experience and thousands of successful growers, Darshan Farmers has become more than a supplier. We're your growth partner, helping you build a sustainable, profitable future. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your agribusiness, you'll find everything you need all in one place. From pure spawn to proven training, we support your journey from lab to farm. Darshan Farmers, pure spawn, proven training, profitable harvests. Because when you grow, we grow with you. Call 99720 39184 or visit darshanfarmers.com to start your mushroom journey today.